A brief tornado touched down in Crosby, Texas this morning, and it was barely even raining. Weather reports show there was a small rotation appearing on radar at the time. Typically, funnel clouds in small showers like these rarely touch down. If they do, it's often short-lived, and that was the case there. But it did cause some damage there, as you can see, taking down some bricks, some roofing as well. Otherwise, for us, we are looking at showers here. Nothing severe over the next couple of days, so that's the good news. We've had the cooler temperatures all week. Well, now we're going to start to see things warming up a bit more. For tomorrow, through tomorrow morning, isolated thunder. Showers will start to taper off as we get into the afternoon. Parts of southeast Kansas may briefly see a heavy downpour. Otherwise, we start to see dry weather coming in for at least part of the weekend. By Sunday, that begins to change. Here's why we've had an active pattern over the last couple of days. This is the jet stream coming straight out of the Gulf of Mexico, bringing all kinds of moisture along with it. That's why it was so sticky today, and it's going to be humid right on through the weekend. Once this starts to move a little bit farther to the east, we don't have much in the way of any trigger mechanisms until we start to see this boundary out west and another low coming in from the west as well. But tonight, this is what we have on showers. It's very warm right now, muggy outside, a few sprinkles out there as well. But for the most part, most of the rain is staying just to the south of us, closer to Fort Smith. But if you can follow that direction, it's going to come back into at least part of the four states later tonight. There's the time lapse showing the cloud cover, even a couple of sprinkles here along range line. Otherwise, temperatures right now still at 69 degrees, so close to 70. We also have a calm wind. We're going to see that starting to pick up again tomorrow out of the south, but that's also keeping the warm air in place. It's still in the mid-60s right now in Monette, 70 right now in Grand Lake, and 70 also in Parsons. And very humid outside, too, I might add. Otherwise, on Futurecast, we see some showers starting to lift back to the north after about 2 a.m. and then between 2 and 10 a.m. Scattered showers. Again, notice everything moving from south to north. That will start to taper off as we get into the afternoon, down to just a few isolated showers headed into tomorrow evening. We should be dry for Saturday before we start to see the next system coming in from the west, giving at least a low-end chance for some rain as we get into Sunday. Here's rain totals through tomorrow night. Most areas less than a quarter of an inch. In fact, most of Missouri less than a tenth of an inch. Some higher amounts if you get underneath one of those spotty showers in parts of Kansas, say around Coffeyville, maybe Chanute. Otherwise, mid-60s to upper 60s to start the day, and again, some scattered showers. Maybe just mostly cloudy in northeast Oklahoma, but those showers lifting north through the daytime. High temperatures topping out tomorrow around 79. South winds gusting to about 20, so it is going to be a little on the breezy side. Otherwise, we should be dry on Saturday, a mix of sun and clouds, and look at temperatures popping back into the lower 80s. Slight chance of some showers as we wrap up the weekend, and then off and on showers for several days next week.